Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Right to Work. Today we want to look at the subject of money. Okay, so what is money? How do you make it? How do you multiply it? And how do you manage it? It's unfortunate that many of us go to school 4 years, 7 years, and there's never a conversation about money. Your lecturers don't teach you about money. Your professors don't even know about money themselves. And nobody's talking about it. And you live your life trying to get it. You get a job because of money. Left to many of us who would not go to school. If not that our parent told us. I remember my mother said to me, go to school, get a degree, get a good job and you're rich. She said to me, we are poor, because I always ask like, why are we in this situation? So the answer was simple. We are poor because I don't have a degree. I work with the government, but the salary isn't much. If I had a degree, my promotions would have been faster and you guys will have lived a better life. And I was shocked to later discover that that wasn't true. That even with best degree professors, PhD, they are jobless PhD holders who literally are very poor. So you need to study money. You need to go for seminars, and best way to study about money and understand money is to learn from those who already have it. Yes, go and meet those who already have it. Let them teach you what is money. Because people can't just teach you with the idea. Okay, have an idea what money is. That's how it works. Those who have been able to, by whatever means legally, build from zero to hero. You want to listen to them and ask them, how did you get it? How did you do it? What were the processes? What were the principles? Also teach your children about money. There are books on money. Read that Poor Dad, one of my favorite classics. Get that book on money. Richest Man in Babylon. Powerful book on money. Those two books, read them. Go get them and read them and digest them. Eat them. I can't count how many times I've read those two books. Richest Man in Babylon shows you how to save, the power of savers. And then the read that book that really open you up to this whole mystery about money. Then you get to really solve that problem through that book. Another book I'll probably recommend is The Greatest Salesman that I ever lived. Powerful book. The Greatest Salesman that ever lived. Go get that book. But by every means, teach your children about money. Learn about money yourself. Understand money. Desire to know what it is. Make it. And multiply it. Manage it. And of course, distribute it. Help orphans, widows. Every year we work towards paying institution fee of orphans. We work with an IDP camp in Meduguri called Kudu IDP camp. And you want to do things like that. So money puts you in a position to be able to do good things if you are good. Because money is a magnifier, it takes the shape of the owner. I love you guys. I hope you've picked a thing or two from this episode of Right to Work. Share with me how this video added value to you, what you learned. Of course, share this video with several of your friends. Tell them about this series and tell them to come watch. I love you all and thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.